everybody, it's Liz with Lake Las Vegas Live, and tonight I'm taking you on a tour of the Festival of Lanterns at Cowabunga Waterpark in Henderson, Nevada. The Festival of Lanterns is a limited event taking place from November 5th through February 13th. The water park is festively decorated with handcrafted Chinese lanterns made by 25 skilled artists. There are scheduled performances, so make sure to watch all the way through to see a traditional Chinese dragon dance and drummers, and also the hypnotizing hippie light show. This is one of the most awesome parts of this Festival of Lanterns. This aisle that you walk down with red lights on both sides and lanterns hanging above you, it's just absolutely beautiful. Look at how beautiful these pictures are. These look like they're all signs of the Chinese zodiac. Well, that's really cool. There's a seating area over there with some fire pits. Very cool.
Yeah. Okay.
The water park itself is not operating during this event, so there are no rides, but there are fun things to do like watch scheduled shows, take the kids to a small petting farm or hay maze. Adults can sit around fire pits and relax with adult beverages, and there is food for sale too. You almost feel like you're walking through a neon version of Alice in Wonderland.
Oh, is that a maze? Wait, they're doing it in the center right now.
Wow, so there are 2 Eiffel Towers in the city of Vegas and Henderson.
Oh, I'm so noisy, Nathan.
Oh my gosh, there's a dragon coming. There's a dragon coming. river part. Here's the lazy river portion of the water park. Obviously it's not open for use now, but it is pretty cool to see in here. Let's see what's going on at the petting zoo. Oh, there's little goats over there. They look like babies. Look at the goats.
We are sure that you and your family will enjoy this unique experience and encourage you to arrive early as seating is limited. The performance will begin in 30 minutes.
We have an amazing performance artist tonight who's going to share some traditional dance, such as Chinese fan, Isis wings, Hawaiian poi, and hoop. Please welcome Tita, the hypnotizing hippie.
So I really hope that you enjoyed your tour of the Festival of Lanterns at Cowabunga Bay Water Park in Henderson, Nevada. If you really enjoyed this as much as I did, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You'll be notified whenever I publish new videos on tips and things to do and places I visit in the Vegas Valley area. And also, go ahead and hit the like button for me. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll talk to you soon. So beautiful.